beauties, welcome back to What Karen Loves. It's been a minute, hasn't it? First and foremost, let me just say I'm sorry about that. So I've been busy. A lot of things have happened since the last time we talked. So first and foremost, let's get that out of the way. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a great day. Are you ready for Christmas? It's crazy that this year's almost over, but I'm sure everyone's ready for 2020 to end. But I have a funny feeling 2021, I'm hoping that it'll be better, but I don't know. But anyways, so as you guys know, it's been a minute since we sit down and talked and did a makeup tutorial, so let's get on into it, shall we? Let's clean my face because, you know, even though I took a shower last night, you know what I mean? I mean, outside and junk and all that stuff, so let's just clean my face. I don't know if I really want to do a full look because I don't really feel like doing all that, to be honest with you. So we're just gonna have fun and like do some blush and highlight and all that fun stuff, right? Okay, so I don't know which thing I want to use because I don't know, everything looks so fantastic, so I don't know which one I want to go to. I want to do like a Christmas vibe, which I'm kind of thinking that this palette might be the right one because it has like all the colors that I'm thinking about Christmas wise. Because you know, all the shimmers. So I think I might play with this one because it's been a minute since we played with this one. I need to get some more Jeffree Star products. Not gonna lie, there's some stuff that he has on now that I want to get. Anyway, let's get started, shall we? Let's put this phone away so that we don't get in my way. Anyway, let's get started, shall we? Alright. Okay. Not gonna lie, it's been a minute since I've played with makeup. I'm not even kidding. Like doing makeup, I haven't even done makeup in a minute. Like, because I've been working so much or just on the go. So, like, you know, I haven't really felt like doing all that stuff. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. I just haven't really felt like it. So I felt like, you know, for the first video back, let's do a holiday seasonal thing, right? Alright. I'm not gonna lie with you, these brushes are the tea. I need to brush them. Probably will do that today. So you know that's what happens when you forget to do stuff. My bad. Alright. To be fair, it's been a minute since I played with makeup, so you know, of course they're gonna be dirty. You probably forgot that you need to clean them the first week, you know, the first time. You know what I mean? I'm trying to clean off this brush and it's being difficult. Get off purple. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm off, which I'm pretty excited about. I'm gonna do, you know, I'll do something. Okay, I think I got it all. Okay. What am I looking for? Let me make sure this thing is still recording because you guys know how this thing is. Alright, anyways. Oh, I want to do red, but I don't know. I feel like red is like Christmas color, right? Sorry, my voice just crackled, yo. We're doing a little stream today, okay? Let's see how it goes. I feel like it wouldn't be Christmas without some red. You know what I mean? So there's some like pink sparkles in this thing, and a glow. Man, it's been a minute since I've done this. Let me make sure it's still recording, you guys. Of course I have it. I'm used to dealing with it, so. Ooh, allow me. I love it already. I'm gonna go over it though with my finger because like, I know I'll probably miss some spots. Like I always do when I do makeup. Yes. I think it looks good. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so the top layer. Ooh, what else did I put in this? You know, I don't know. I like the. You know, it does look pretty good. I can mess this up though on this side. Okay. Alright. So what should we go with? I don't know. Flake. I gotta make sure it's still recording because you guys know how this thing can be. Alright. We're gonna do pink because why not, right? Sorry, this. I don't want to put it on pants. Ooh, that shimmer though, y'all. That shimmer is pretty. You know, can't be Christmas without a little shimmer. Am I right, y'all? What a little shimmer, huh? Ooh, yes, please. Sparkles on me. I gotta fix this one area right here. Like I hate when like one of the parts like cut off at the end. Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. Now the inner eye. What should we go for? Okay, I got 10 minutes remaining, y'all. Okay. Let's do Beauty Sleep because it looks pretty. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, so now some highlight. I feel like this went too low. It's like near my face and my lips. I'm gonna put some around here because I don't think it really did the trick. Okay, that's much better. Sorry, I gotta get all this like near my lip. It's bugging me. Okay. How much time do you have? Okay, cool. Alright. Just trying to make sure I blend it a bit. It's not too much. Alright, so now some highlights. Oh god, y'all. I just realized what I did. I am so stupid. I grabbed the wrong one. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna finish it off with some mascara. Okay, 8 minutes remaining now. Okay. Alright. Now I think I'm gonna put some last minute touches on this one side because I can't really see the highlight very much. Oh no, now I see it. I mean, it's not too bad. I'll put a little bit more. Put more on this side too. Just for the extra texture. Oh, let's grab this one. I don't know what is on my eye right there, but it's annoying me. Okay. Alright. Guys, I'm done. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. Let me blend this out a bit. Okay. Alright, you guys. Alright, ready. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, it kind of reminds me of summer. I mean, summer. I said summer. Christmas. With the red sparkles. The highlight though. And the blush worked out too. It's not too bright like I thought it was gonna be. So I really like it. Like, I hope you guys like it. And the mascara though, y'all need to get some of this. I swear by it. It's so amazing. So amazing. It's Kat Von D. You know, so definitely do it. When you go home, it's pretty good. I love it. I'm not gonna lie. It looks so good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And also go check out the Christmas decor ideals featuring Pinterest down below in the description below in the comments. But go check it out because I really did enjoy doing that. I love doing the holiday stuff anyway. So anyways, before this cuts off, I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let me know down below what you'd like to see soon from this channel. And I'm hoping to do more fashion IGTV videos soon. So stay tuned for that as well. I'll see you guys soon on the next video. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day. And Bye. XOXO. That's all.